Shine bright like a diamond.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this diamond nail design, so let's begin. As usual, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. Next, I'm applying black to my index and pinky fingernails. And now I'm applying white to my middle fingernail. Next, I'm applying this silvery hollow from the brand England to my ring fingernail, but any silver polish will work. And now I'm applying a quick dry top coat before doing the design. Now I'm starting by painting the bottom half of the diamond, which I'm making a decal on my nail mat. And now I'm painting the top half of the diamond. And now, as you can see, I'm painting the details on the inside of the diamond. Now, after letting that dry, I'm using the same silvery hollow as before, and I'm painting it over the diamond. And now I'm taking a regular top coat from Sally Hansen, and I'm painting that over the silver polish. After letting that dry for about 20 minutes, I'm peeling it off of the nail mat and turning it over. Now, I'm taking scissors and I'm cutting off the extra silver on the diamond. Now I'm taking the same top coat from Sally Hansen as before, and I'm applying that to my middle fingernail. Now I'm taking tweezers to place the diamond right in the center. Now I'm using the same silver polish as before, and I'm doing a gradient on my index and pinky fingernail.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Find light in the beautiful sea. I just to be happy. You and I.
And lastly, I'm applying the same quick dry top coat that I used before. And that is all, guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any suggestions you have for any other videos you want to see me do in the future. Bye!
In the sky.